The MACC program, or Mining, Asphalt, Concrete, and Construction Technology program, is designed to expose junior and senior high school students to a career technology path that ultimately leads to high-paying employment opportunities associated with the aggregate, asphalt, concrete, and construction industries. The MACC Tech Kit for high school students includes a set of 4 ASTM test sieves, core samples consisting of concrete, asphalt, and rock, Portland and asphalt cement samples, limestone samples including number 8, number 57, ag lime, and manufactured limestone sand, gravel samples including number 8 and number 57, a hot mix asphalt sample, a natural sand sample, and 2 ODOT 304 base material samples, one from limestone and the other from gravel, and a Ohio Rocks mineral kit made up of sand, gravel, sandstone, clay, dolomite, flint, salt, quartz, limestone, and slag, all in a convenient travel case.